Best way to find the intersection of multiple sets. I have a list of sets. I want S1 mathematical intersection symbol S2 mathematical intersection symbol S3. I can write a function to do it by performing a series of pairwise S1 dot intersection, S2, etc. Is there a recommended, better, or built-in way?
If you don't have Python 2.6 or higher, the alternative is to write an explicit for loop. You can also use reduce. However, many Python programmers dislike it, including Guido himself. About 12 years ago, Python acquired Lambda, Reduce, Filter, and Map, courtesy of, I believe, a Lisp hacker who missed them and submitted working patches. But, despite of the PR value, I think these features should be cut from Python 3000. So now Reduce. This is actually the one I've always hated most, because, apart from a few examples involving plus or asterisk, almost every time I see a reduce call with a non-trivial function argument, I need to grab pen and paper to diagram what's actually being fed into that function before I understand what the reduce is supposed to do. So in my mind, the applicability of reduce is pretty much limited to associative operators, and in all other cases it's better to write out the accumulation loop explicitly.
From Python version 2.6 on, you can use multiple arguments to set dot intersection, like. If the sets are in a list, this translates to where *a_list is list expansion. Note that set dot intersection is not a static method, but this uses the functional notation to apply intersection of the first set with the rest of the list. So if the argument list is empty, this will fail.
As of 2.6, set dot intersection takes arbitrarily many iterables.
Clearly set dot intersection is what you want here, but in case you ever need a generalization of take the sum of all these, take the product of all these, take the XOR of all these, what you are looking for is the reduce function. Or
if you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.